Hey guys, it's Ms. Z. I'm here to show you how you can make some keychains that have your name on it in the graffiti style. First, you're going to start with what we call shrinky dink paper. It's just kind of like plastic. The one you see here is frosted and it's rough on one side and smooth on the other. You want to draw on the rough side, and some of you might use clear shrinky dink paper and it'll be smooth on both sides, and that's okay. Next, you're going to want to color it. If you have the rough shrinky dink paper, you can use colored pencils or permanent markers. If you have the clear shrinky dink paper, you want to just use permanent markers. So once you are ready to start, I want you just to go ahead and write your name in graffiti letter styles. We're going to go over how to do that together, and you'll have a worksheet you can follow along with. The other thing that you want to think about is you don't have a huge sheet of paper, so if you may want to do a nickname, and as long as it's an appropriate for school nickname, that's fine. And if you want to do like a friend's name because you want to make it a gift for a friend, that's okay too. So here I've made my name, and then I went ahead and I colored it as neatly as I could, as you can see. Then I went and I added a cool background. Now for me, I just added this sort of fun checkerboard, but you could do whatever kind of design you want, something that's interesting to you that you're going to like. Then you're going to bring it to me, and I'm going to help you make a hole in your piece of shrinky dink paper. Now this hole is really important because that's where our key ring is going to go, and that looks really big compared to my finger, right? But you'll see why it has to be so big in a minute, and that's why you want to have me help you do it. Then we're going to put it in the oven. I will probably do this when it's just me hanging around so I can do a bunch at the same time, but I wanted you to see how it works. You can see I just put it in the oven. My oven temperature is set to 325 degrees, and I close my oven and I wait, usually about 1 to 3 minutes. And then I can open it back up and you can see what happens. It shrinks down to about 1/9 of its original size. So here it is, nice and big going in and very small coming out. I let it cool down, and then I'm going to get myself a key ring, which I will give to you. And you can see, look how tiny the little hole is. Before it was so big, and now it's nice and small. And I can go ahead and I can put the key ring through it. And then I have a super nice key ring to have to put on my backpack, or maybe for my house key once the school year begins. That's all there is to it, guys. That's what we're going to be doing this week, and I'm going to help you every step of the way. It's going to be really easy and really fun, and you're going to have something super cool to take home. So let's go ahead and get started.